Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we're making Baadiyan Dal. Baadiyan Dal also we are making. Come on, see this one. Come fast. Today we are making Baadiyan with Moong Dal. This is very special in North. South I never ever seen actually. Even I am now eating, no. My taste buds is developed and this is very tasty one. I like it. In Telugu we'll say Vadiyalu. Vadiyalu pesarapappu. Okay, today we are going to make a different style. Not different style, yeah, they'll make it very well. So I thought I can show when I went to Chandigarh, then I learned this one. So I can show you people. Come on now. Now my cooker is ready. Then I'm adding the ghee only you have to make with this, yeah. Baadiyan Dal. So next I'm adding, where is my hing? Okay, little bit, one pinch only we have to add. The aroma and taste will be very nice. Again I'm adding the onions. Okay, onion and green chili also if necessary you can add it nicely. So then we fry it properly. Oh my god, I forgot the jeera. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Now I'm adding, okay. This only will happen in the life. Not like that everything correctly. It won't happen, okay. That's what I want to tell you. Little bit you can add it like that also. But before it will taste nice actually, okay. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay, by the time what we are doing, we are making gas medium flame. Then we are cootifying this. Okay, this badia. Like this, just put it, make it one like not very powder, yeah, please, okay. That only very tasty, like this only you have to we'll say what in Hindi, dara dara. I am telling barbara. Dara dara, they will tell. My mother-in-law used to tell me dara dara se kootna. I'll say okay mummy. Like this, see this one, okay. See inside, you have to make it brown. I told you, no, because always we have to use thick bottom, so we can use very less oil in that. Otherwise, always it burns properly. So I don't want, always I won't use the lid. I always use, if I want it thick ones, means cooker like that only. When I want to do payasam or something nicely, I'll wash it and I'll use this for payasam and all. Now becoming a very small family, so what to do, because I want to buy the small cookers, I won't get it. Okay, so that is the thing, yeah. Now see now. Hmm. See now you can add one pinch of this turmeric powder and close it. Now I'm adding the, now only badia, side the full onions like this, see, and add this badiyans, okay, like this. Okay, now fry it, this one also. Some people will do separately fry, but I don't want. I'll mix it everything in this only, then nicely I will do it. Because when you're adding the salt and chili powder, little bit careful, because in badia they'll put all the chili powder and salt also, I think so whenever I'm doing, I have to be little bit conscious about my this thing, then only I will do it. Now I'll take my tomatoes. I told you this is my country tomato, because that only it will be very tasty. So I always, most probably I'll use only country tomato. Okay. Small you can cut. This is also 1.5 tomato only. Carefully, this is very sharp. I am very scared about this, my chaku. Because of that only I am not watching here and there. Okay, now like this we have to, I think only one tomato is more than enough, I believe. Let me see what. Yeah, nicely you have to. Mm, Yeah, see now. Okay, now I am adding little bit chili powder because I told you already the chili is inside. So little bit chili powder, how much you want it. Then mix it well. See, now I am adding the tomatoes. See, if you necessary, you can add this one also, but let me see how it works. So then only I'll do it properly. See, yeah. Now I'm adding the salt. Why? Because the water, the moisture will come. So not require more water. Otherwise you can close the lid also. Then only it won't burn. That is the main reason. Otherwise it will burn. Always you have to keep it on the medium flame. Okay. Now see, we'll cut it and this one also will put it, nice taste will come. No wastage, no. My sabji, how it going? No problem. But I don't want to waste my tomato. Aiyaya. So, my goodness. Ah. Okay, we'll keep it this one here, and chili powder go to the place, and turmeric powder has to go to the place. Now, see now, don't burn it. That is the main. Carefully you have to do. See. You want to ginger garlic paste also you can add, but I am not adding ginger garlic paste. Just I am doing like this only. Now I am changing. I am taking the water. I don't want to throw this water already. I washed the dal and I kept it side for half an hour. Okay, this dal, Moong dal this is. Okay, now again properly. See ya, now show now. Just I'll show you. Okay, like this consistency. Now you can add the dal. See, now mix it well. Keep it side for a little while. Then only you can pour the water. Yeah. Okay, now let cooks. Then we'll do it. So water, I told you already, don't throw this water. This is only we are going to add it in the dal. See ya, now like this. Now you can add the water now for dal. Okay, now I'm going to add the water. See, like this you have to add the water. The dal water only we have to add. Little more we wanted now. See the consistency. Because it will become thick, so we have to add the more water. Why means that badia is there, no? Yeah, so like that. If you necessary, you can add more water also. There is no problem at all. That's it, yeah. Now close the lid. Finish after that garnish with the coriander leaves. Over. Yeah, now see, yeah, this consistency. How nice this one with badia and dal. See, like this only we have to see the badia also. Okay. Now you have to put some coriander and garam masala. Okay. Now we'll add the garam masala. Yeah, half teaspoon of garam masala. Then mix it well. Now I am putting the high flame. Now if you want to some color, you can add the what is that one, Kashmiri chili powder. Now coriander. Okay, like Yes, that's it. Your Baadiyan Dal. Badiya. Okay. Dal is ready now. See ya now. So nice. Okay, now time for taste. We'll taste. I'll take the one Badiya also. See, this is the Badiya oven. After that, switch off the gas. Yes, over. Now it's very hot. Now how to manage, because I can't eat the Badiya because it's very very hot. I can't. Very tough. Uh-huh. Oh my god, very hot. Ooh. Very taste different style of dal. Okay, now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.